So once the client comes in and brings us their beautiful ring, we'll take a look at the ring and make sure everything is in place. I'll grab my loop and make sure each and every stone is perfectly secure, fully aligned, and everything looks wonderful. Fantastic. We're going to take the ring, put it in the ultrasonic, and then give it a good steam. Follow me. So once the ring is inspected and everything looks great, we then place the ring in the ultrasonic for 3 to 4 minutes. Take it out, and then we'll put it underneath the steamer from afar, and we will shoot out all the lotion, shampoo, everything that could get stuck inside the ring.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out the rest of our channel for new videos every week. Seriously, just hit the subscribe button.